Welcome to San Juan, Puerto Rico. This is part of the old San Juan, so come take a little walk with us and we're going to give you some mobility tips along the way.
Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew, there's the Carnival Mardi Gras right outside that window. You literally walk off the ship and into this port area. How about that? Welcome to San Juan, Puerto Rico. Okay, Robin.
Okay, so we parked at the furthest pier, the furthest south, I guess it was south. The bathrooms are right here when you enter the building. There is no duty-free shopping in Puerto Rico because it's American territory. So, America, we want you to pay taxes. You got it.
And right here's those bathrooms she was telling you about. Right in this building here as you come off the ship. There's the Mardi Gras off to my left. Once you walk through that building, terminal building, you're out here in this covered sidewalk. Okay, y'all, Robin from Sea Lake Journeys just bought herself.
Yes.
What did you buy?
I check out this bracelet. I brought this bracelet. It's magnetic. And I bought it from this lovely lady here.
Local vendor right here.
A local vendor. What's your name? Oh, Jalisa. Jalisa, a local vendor in Puerto Rico.
Come on down and get yourself some jewelry right here, folks. This is some great stuff right here.
Is it all handmade? Yes. Yes.
All handmade?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so where I'm standing at right here, the Sun Princess is directly in front
Sky
of me.
Princess.
Sky Princess. This is Walgreens. And we're gonna walk up this alley beside of Walgreens to the park with a local artist.
We're heading that way, y'all. Okay, guys, we're at the top of this hill here in San Juan, and you can really see the Carnival Mardi Gras right there. Really good.
And in San Juan, most of the little inclines, they're kind of steep, so you might want to bring your cane with you. They're pavers, but they're kind of steep inclines.
Yes.
And so we're going right here to this little park where some local vendors are at.
Let's go see what's going on.
Okay, so we walked up the hill. We showed you where we came up the hill to that little park right over there with some local vendors. If you walk that way another block, there's another little park like this one with little trees that has more local vendors. And if you need the bank, First Bank is right here.
Right.
Okay?
Okay.
We are sitting at the taxi stand, by the way.
Okay, we're heading down to where?
So we came down the street, and this is Cala de Recinto. I don't know how to say that.
Cali del Recinto.
Yeah, we came down Cali del Recinto, and we turned right here, and
That's the courthouse.
the great
right
big courthouse, and the park that we're talking about with the local artists are right down here at the end of the hill.
And that's where we're heading, y'all. Just want to show you the terrain, though. You can be walking on it. Some places it's very uneven. Some places it's slanted, and some places it's just slippery. So be careful with your footing.
We've seen some scooters traveling about, but not manual wheelchairs.
True.
It's a little too difficult for manuals.
Yeah, you'd get beat up pretty bad in a wheelchair.
The scooters seem to be making it okay.
Well, we've seen a couple, haven't we?
Yeah. It is a little bit more difficult to find a wheelchair ramp or a scooter ramp to get up on the sidewalk and off the sidewalk. So for example, we came down this street, there was a ramp at the top of the hill to come down this sidewalk, but there's not one at the bottom of the hill to get off. So
Yeah.
that's a little bizarre.
So if you wheel yourself down here in your electric scooter or your wheelchair, you're going to be facing a dead end here with this curve.
Okay, so Chet's walking across the street just so you can see.
It's got a really good strong slope.
Little side shuffle.
You have to do it, you can't really go heel toe. Okay folks, here we got plenty of these guys right here. We got little pigeons. Ain't he a cute little guy?
Chickens too.
And there's chickens, and there's also little starlings, we call them. Hey. It's a beautiful little park though. Got the little pool with the fountains in it. All kinds of different artists here. Okay, a different way of getting here is right down this sidewalk. It follows the waterfront.
We recommend staying on the waterfront path and get to this park. It's easier if you have mobility issues, if it's difficult for you to walk, or if you're in a wheelchair or scooter.
Okay, so we're making our way back on this sidewalk all the way to the ship, the Mardi Gras, which is positioned right there by the Sky Princess.
And all total, I think it was 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 blocks to the park from the ship.
I think so.
And we were at the furthest pier.
Yes. Very good. And you got a senior frog right across the street over there too. So if you got to get your froggy on, he's right there, right next to the Walgreens.
We had a great time walking down in Old San Juan, and we think you will too. Thanks for joining us. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member. Or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.